We are at the SpudQuibber Championships. The stage is full of nerds. Danny is taking a nervous bathroom break right now. He is already registered. We'll return later. Quiver is coming in the house. The SpudQuibber has arrived. He's in darkness though, we can't really see the SpudQuibber. There they are.
I suppose I should go try a stack man and get used to it.
Quiver making his way to the stage. SpudQuibber loosening up in the shadows. The rest of the nerds in these SpudQuibber events.
I'm going to take a little
This is Danny's first. They get 5 tries each. Everyone's a little nervous on the first one. We get to look at it for 15 seconds. The cover's up. She says go. SpudQuibber at work. Hands are moving pretty quickly. Looks like he's whipping it out there pretty good. That's 10 seconds. 15 seconds. 22, 23. It's not bad. Not a bad first try. 25. That's good. Little nerves there. 25, 52. This is the first round leader. He did 15.51. His first one. His name is Chris. Danny knows him. So his second attempt. Chris Hardwick. First round leader came in at 15.51. He was in the zone.
Daniel Hayes, Jordan Chen, Shotaro Makisumi.
Time is worse than his first one. 18.99. Danny's second attempt. It's a 15-second look. Not allowed to twist it, just look. She's timing him. She'll tell him 5 seconds. He'll put it down. SpudQuibber's second go. Seems to be going along quite well. 7 seconds. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Little stumble there, I think, at the 15-second mark. Stumble there. Come on, SpudQuibber. Second one, 24-27. About a second faster than the first one. SpudQuibber is happy with himself. Danny's third go. He's got the cute judge helping. Hopefully he's not. Here he goes. Go, Dan, go. 5 seconds. 10. 16, 17. Come on, Dan. Come on, Dan. Plus 20. Plus 20. Dan, come on. That's 20. Come on, Dan. Beat it. Go, 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 go. 23. And he stumbled there for some reason. He got a slower time too. Not happy with his 30. This is the world record holder, just did it in 12 seconds. Yeah, hey, just went over 20 last time.
No, we went over 30.
This is good. Or is he got a school there?
Don't don't think this will be a world record. He doesn't seem to be moving that quick. Now there's 12. See, even he's going slower this time. 14. This is how me and Danny are going to do our hair for next year's competition. Danny's on the stage with the world champion. World champion is far to the right. Danny is one to his left. See if I can frame them both here. World champion is at 3 seconds. Danny's getting it, so he will be done by the time Danny looks at his. Oh, Danny's going 2, 3. World champion comes at 15. This was a fairly difficult solve. Daniel. Go, Dan. Go, go, go. Get under 20, Dan. Come on, dude. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 Dan. Go, Dan. Go, Dan. 25. Not a bad solve. 25.09. The world champion did 15. It's about the same. So once again, the world champion guy here. See if we can set a record. Yeah, there's 12, 13, 13, 7. Danny draws the cute judge again. That's the Mexican champion there, and he does it at about 45 seconds. Danny comes over. This is Dan's 5th solve. Be right in front of us once again. Dan's 5th solve. All right, Dan. 20:42. Yay, Danny. This is the blindfolded given directions one.
Okay, D2, B, D prime. Okay, cool. Alright, I want you to spin along two layers D prime. Spin right. Okay, this is A3 belongs in BL. Okay, keep right. Okay, spin twice. Alright, spin right. This is C3 belongs in BL. Okay, spin right. This is K2. Okay, this is 31 back. Okay, well, it's moving weird. I want you to do an L, L prime, L prime. Okay, this is spin left, ice cream cone.
You want me to yell out, you're only juggling 2 balls? getting ready to do the 4x4. This takes about a minute, he says. Notice the bigger cube in his hand there. Got one extra row or side, I guess you'd call it. This will take long. Show you some of the other. This guy in the green shirt is stuck. Oh, Ian's over 2 minutes. He's stuck. Danny can do this in a minute. He'd be a hero so far. 106 is good. Seems to be a bit more difficult than the Ian took 230.
What's his average time on this one, Lindsay?
I don't know.
It's alright, don't worry about it, guys. Don't worry about it.
No, I was just curious to say what's good for him and what's nervous for
He
him.
doesn't concentrate on this one much.
Yeah.
Gotta be. I can't imagine what the factor of hardness over the other one is. Okay, it's respectable. 207. 207. Danny's third solve with the four-sided cube is coming up on. That's a minute 40.
Well, with the 3x3s, yeah, I always got master though. People that I couldn't get roll because I was close to, like Bob. Actually, I got one
Up on his 2-minute mark. He's doing about 2:20s. It's 2 minutes. He's working with the one that does not have the timer display. 2:10, 2:14 or so. This is the one Danny came for. This is the Megaminx, the 12-sided versus normal 6-sided Rubik's Cube. It has 12 sides. This is what Danny's really good at. We're hoping for what, under 2 minutes? We're right at 2 minutes. Okay. This is Dan on the Megaminx. There's 30 seconds on his Mega. Thanks, man.
Winokur, Muslim Makita. Frank Morris for 3x3 speed small. Leyan Lo.
Come on, Dan, do it under 2 minutes. He looks like he's close. He looks close. Come on, Dan. Come on, Dan. Just that 2 minutes. Dan. Very good, 2:02. You go, Dan. I don't even, girl can't even tell if it's right or not.
Is that it? Is that the
I don't know.
record?
I don't know. I don't know. Wait a second. How's your 2:02 time there?
It's bad. It's American records, not world though.
American record?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
about-
Do you get to do it again?
No, just one.
You
It's about
said
7 seconds off the world record. But I need my 3x3. They called me up there.
Well, cool.
So you're the-
Set it at
he's the American record holder in the Megaminx. They will in a second. Just to give you an idea, here's Bob, who set the Magic record at 2 something, is up to 4:30 on his Megaminx. So Danny is pretty quick on that, we guess. So that's he's the only other guy doing this one. From what we can tell.
He was going to.
There's the 3x3 record, world record holder here. Pop one.
Doug Ball.
Danny in the second round of the 3x3. Little slow, 26. Hands are probably tired from the... Okay, as another comparison, this is Frank Morris, who just shattered the world record with the 5 cube, the Rubik's Cube that has 5 squares aside rather than just 3. And he's doing the Megaminx that Danny just set the American record in. He's about halfway to what he can usually do, which is 4 minutes. So Dan did pretty good with his 2-minute thing there. Chris just did a 16-minute 3x3. Oh, they just changed it from when I needed it. This is one of the other very fast 3x3 cubers, Chris. We've seen him do some pretty fast things. He's up to 9 minutes on the Megaminx that Danny did in 2. So Daniel did quite well with his Megaminx, setting the American record. Okay, in comparison, this is Chris, who just took over 9 minutes to the Megaminx. Now he's going to do the 3x3, which he's very good at. So remember, this guy, Danny did the Megaminx in 2:02. This guy here did his in 9 something. And now he's going to do the 3x3 probably in less than 20. He does a 15 with that one and did 9 on the one Danny does in 2. Buddy Chris just did a 16. Oh, Danny comes in with a 21. Very good, Dan. Yeah, this should be, hopefully this would be 12 seconds or less.
Yeah, less than 12 seconds would be phenomenal.
No, he's going long on this one.
I'm gonna stop him.